Alright, the Tula 86 kit here. I'll show you spots on here first. Let me see if I can get this right here. Let me see if that'll... You can see those right in there. You can see the rivet squashed in there sideways. Okay, see the rivets all in there sideways. Rivet here, stick my fingernail under there, rivets in sideways there. On the other side, see the rivet squashed in there sideways, and then the rivet squashed under there sideways. So let me put the camera down real quick, take it apart so I can show you. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we got it open. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the rivets are squashed in there sideways. You can stick your fingernail under the rivets. Okay, so those are squashed in sideways. This side, I think you can see it. I'll stick my fingernail in there. You can see. Move that out the way. That rivet there. My camera won't be all... There you go. See, now you can see that rivet's in there squashed sideways. And this is how all four rivets are up front here. Okay, they're all got that little gap right there. Okay, now proceeding on to the rivets by the magazine well. Okay. This down. Let's see if we can make this. Get my camera all. Yeah, I just got my finger up under there. You can kind of see it moving. Okay, that's squashed in there. Not very good. You roll it over. You take this off. Okay, I got my finger up under here. Watch this move too. You can see that rivet is wiggly in there. You can stick your fingernail up under there, but it does move. Okay. Another part on here is this here. You can see this or not. Set it down. There we go. That wiggles around like that. This rivet here got squashed sideways. Let's see where it got squashed. Squashed sideways, right there. That rivet looks, I guess, halfway alright, and you can look inside, see for yourself. I'm getting stung by fire ants. Right in there. And then you can see the trigger guard rivet. Look at that, that's the trigger guard rivet. Look at that. I mean, for real. Look at it, they're just wiggling around in there. So let's turn it up here. Turn it over here. Alright, here we go. Trigger guard rivet here. You can see where they tried to fix it, but it's just still moving around. Okay, so that's all wiggly there. You see that rivet there was squashed in sideways. You can see it just doing that. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about this part now. Let me roll it over and put the gas tube in. And the gas tube is very wiggly. Okay, well, let me put this down here. Oh, I wish I had a cameraman. I'm getting stung by fire ants down here. Excuse me. Now this handguard, this top handguard here, it wiggles around. I don't know if that's a normal thing, but it does. It just wiggles around when I'm. It's annoying as all hell, like that thing wiggling around. Another thing, let me go ahead and install all the stuff back. Well, here's the wear. I don't know if this is normal or not, but here's the wear on the bolt carrier. There's the bolt. It's got all matching numbers though. Okay. We'll go ahead and install this back into the gun. Put this back in. Oh. Another thing before I put the cover down, you can see right here when I go to push it down. See how it doesn't. Doesn't make it, so I have to force it over like that and then push it down, you know, to make it go down. So that's what I have to do. So it puts a lot of wear there. And here's the, you can see that or not, the front pin here, and then the other side here. You can see that. There you go. You can see a lot better. So there's. Okay. Now the front sights have had to be adjusted way far over just to get it zeroed. Okay. If you can see that or not, let me get close. This front sight post here. See how it's sticking real far? It had to be adjusted extremely to the right, and it's almost flush on this side. You can see what I'm talking about. That's just to get it zeroed. You know. You can see how far. See how far over it had to go. Another thing is the builder had to do this to it. Here's the stock little notch on the chrome line muzzle brake. Excuse me, I'm getting ate up by fire ants again. So what they did is they cut out a couple extra notches. So I'm gonna put this down. I wish I had a camera person. I'm gonna show you what they did. Okay, so what they did was this little plunger doesn't make it all the way to the stock groove there. What they did was they cut out one notch here, they cut out another notch here. So you see all those little notches that they cut out there. See, there's one notch, two notch, a third notch. See what I'm talking about? So I didn't think that was right either. But this is a chrome line muzzle brake. I could get another one if I had to. But yeah, now let me show you another part. Folding stock here. Folding stock looks alright, but you know, it doesn't, I mean, this thing is real firm. I mean, you know what I'm talking about? So that's pretty much all the little gimp spots on here. Bottom handguard kind of wiggles around a little bit. And here's the, you can see that. There's the barrel. I couldn't find any numbers on there, so I'm assuming it's a US made barrel. But I've shot it a couple times at about out to 100 yards. It doesn't keyhole or anything. So, but yeah, see that all those little cuts they put on there. Wasn't too pleased about that. But anyways, hopefully I showed you enough in here to kind of, you know, that's enough info